Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain have and has. What's the difference? Okay, so today we will learn what is has and have, examples with has and have, contractions, and some practice questions at the end. Okay, so first, what is have and has? This is a verb. Okay, it's in the simple present tense. Remember, that means everyday activities. I also have a video about simple present tense. You can watch that one again if you'd like. And what is special about these words is it's an irregular verb. So have is the main verb, but it changes to has, which means it's irregular because the spelling is different. So if I use he, she, it, so one man, one woman, or one thing, I need to use has. That means I need to use an S. Okay, you need to be careful with the spelling. It's H-A-S. Okay, and also if you remember simple present, you do need to use an S with he, she, and it. So if I'm talking about like I walk to school and I change it to he, I need to say he walks to school. Right, so we're kind of using the same rule with an S. So an example here, she has a blue sweater. Okay, the next people, I, you, we, they, is have. Have. This one here, there's no S. The example, they have many books. Okay, so when do we use this verb? We usually use it on two ideas. One is ownership. That means like I went to the store and I bought something, or this is a family member and they are part of my family. So I have a small car, or maybe family member. I have a brother. Okay, the other idea is physical appearance. This means your look. What do you look like? I have brown hair. I have green eyes. Right, so that's what do you look like? We say have. Okay, so here we have a chart with contractions with have and has, but important, these are informal. Okay, remember informal means not formal, not professional. So these contractions are when you are speaking with your friends, your family, children. Maybe you are texting your friend and you're writing quickly. You can use these contractions. Okay, so let's do a quick repetition. So I have, I've, you have, you've, she has, she's, he has, he's, it has, it's, we have, we've, they have, they've. Okay, and I'm going to remind you with the three contractions, she's, he's, and it's. They are usually, or the normal time, is with the verb is. She is, he is, it is. Okay, so be very careful when you use contractions with have and has. Alright, so here's your quick quiz. This is your practice for today. So here you have a few different sentences and you need to write the correct word, have or has. Okay, and I will read them very quickly to you. She, brown eyes. We, many shoes. My neighbor. A cat. I, long hair. You, 3 classes. The house. A small yard. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video and practice. Okay, so here are the answers. I hope you wrote them in your notebook. First one, she has brown eyes. Okay, she is one woman. We have many shoes. Okay, we is 2 people or more. Next one, my neighbor has a cat. There's the little cat right there. So my neighbor means one man or one woman. I have long hair. You have 3 classes. The house has a small yard. So the house is it's one thing. Okay, so I hope you learned something. If you learned something today, make sure you like the video. Remember, you are very smart. You're doing very good by studying English and learning every day. Thank you for your time.